Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble this daisy paper flower here. I've already cut out my templates with cardstock, and I like to use the colored core medium weight cardstock, usually around 60 to 65 pounds per, I think, square meter. And then, but you know, this particular design, you can cut it with I cut this with my cutting machine, but you can also cut it by hand as well with the printable template design. I also have here some tacky glue, which is sort of the standard glue I like to use with paper flowers. It's non-toxic. It just takes a little bit longer to dry, but I like it because it works well for this sort of material. I also have a little scraping device here, and I use this to curl the petals. If you don't have a dedicated scraping device, you can always just use any sort of straight edge like a credit card. So first, we have two pieces for the main flower, and then the rest of these pieces are just the center of the flower. So here I'm just going to do a small curl of each of the petals. Now we're going to just glue the base. I created these little tabs. You're going to do a little dab of glue, and then sort of center it in place. Sometimes if I get impatient, I will go ahead and just clip it in place and let it set for a little bit. So we'll put that there and let it set. To set. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna curl the center pieces. So I've taken my, oops, this one fell off. So try to be gentle with the center pieces as you're curling them. They can break off easily. I also have in the design just a simpler center if you don't want to use all the different frills, so we may have to resort to that. So I'm just going to glue the centerpiece together, each of these layers, before I assemble the rest of the flower. And make sure you sort of offset the petals a little bit. So hopefully this is set. Usually I wait a little bit longer before attaching each of these. So you just attach both of these layers with a little glue. Make sure you offset the petals. And that's it.